Okay, this is the problem. These things are great, but when you're trying to get up underneath the mudguard, everything hits. Or when you're trying to do the pinch bolts, for instance, is going to hit the tyre. So along comes the mini T-bars, which are colour coded as well, so it makes it easier. So you got blue is 8, orange, which is the KTM colour sort of thing, is, you know, a lot of the KTMs come with 6, jets are 6, and all that plastic screw stuff on the shrouds and everything is 6. And then the 10 also comes with this little insert in it that you can run, you know, a socket, because there's certain uses where you need a socket, so that's great. In this case, it's 10 down here, and as you can see, you can spin them, and then up under the mudguard on this beater is you know, the 8s. But just being able to work on things without them hitting is the whole idea. They're all based around the 6mm thread stuff, so you don't need a lot of leverage. It's smaller bolts, and they work unreal.